How to send email customers want to read. Every business needs to reach a large audience with their sales pitch, but finding targeted readers can be difficult. Email marketing is an essential tool for getting your message to the masses, at least to those who are interested. Read on to find many great tips to help you launch your campaign. Develop a consistent format and schedule for your marketing emails. By doing this, your customers will learn when and what to expect. Find a professional template that suits your business and use it every time. Alert your customers to the most relevant information at the beginning of the email. Slowly build your contact list. Start with those who have already appreciated what you offer and then move on to areas where you can engage your prospects. It can take a while to pick whom should be receiving your emails, but it'll be worth it in the end to build a reliable contact list. To get customers enthused about getting your emails, give prizes away through your newsletter. This is an email marketing method that makes your subscribers feel like receiving your emails is beneficial to them, and will encourage them to get friends to sign up as well. You should consider creating a referral program for your customers so that they can get an added benefit for forwarding their emails to friends. To get the best results from your email marketing campaign, test your messages thoroughly before you send them. Do not just type up a quick message and blast it out to your subscriber list without checking it carefully first. Preview it in different email programs and on different platforms to make sure it will display properly for everyone. Tailor your emails and landing pages for mobile users as well as those using desktops. Keep in mind that smartphones have tiny screens that may not be compatible with the way you have your emails formatted. Trim the width so that your emails can be read by users without them having to resize them. Make it easy for people to unsubscribe from your list. This might seem counterproductive since you don't want your customers to lose interest and leave. However, if your customers aren't interested in your newsletters anymore, they might get annoyed if they can't easily unsubscribe. Provide a large button or link so that customers who have lost interest can find it without an extensive search. Your emails must be personal. The more personal they are, the better people will respond to them. Do your best to communicate in a way that doesn't scream advertising. Speak in a friendly one-on-one style with an amicable tone. By using your emails in a respectful, familiar manner, you will be able to make use of the most personal advertising method there is. As long as you put the tips you've watched here into use, you will find that your email marketing campaigns will be effective and profitable. You'll be happy that you've put the effort into creating a plan when your sales explode. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.